I am live. Good morning everyone. It is Wednesday today. Kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope you are all well. I just want to show you where I am at the moment. So, pumunta lang po ako sa shopping center. And look what I found. Fun phase. And since it is Halloween, nearly Halloween, next week,
쳤어요.
sorry. Well, sa mga nanonood po, thank you for watching. And for those who are going to watch the replay, maraming salamat. And I hope na nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan, kayong lahat. So, grateful po ako kasi meron po akong time na gawin ng mga ito during weekdays. And nakakatuwa po yung mga news sa aming business community. Sa team lang po namin, napakadami pong good news. Ang dami pong nagsipag-join sa aming business since Monday pa lang. So, ang dami-dami po. At isa po doon, and I would like to congratulate this Uber driver from the USA. He decided to take action and check our online business. Nakakatuwa po. And not only that, meron din po akong business blessings. Meron po kami mga inquiries. Ang nakakatuwa is, pagkagising namin kanina, is nakita namin mga inquiries is while we were sleeping. Hindi po ba napakaganda ng business in automation? And yun po, nagulat din po ako nung kahapon, nung nag-check po ako ng aking bank. Since our business is paying us through bank. Hindi po check like in other countries like Canada or USA. So, direkta po sa bank. Nagulat po ako dahil hindi ko po in-expect yung payday ko. One day pay for figure income po. Kaya grateful po ako na habang ako ay nag-i-enjoy kung saan ako pumupunta, kung nag-expend ako ng time sa aking apo, and while doing the business anywhere, ako po ay nag-earn pa din. Ganda ng business. So, kung kayo po ay napapagod na or gusto niyo pong magkaroon ng plan B or second income stream, if you want, you can check this out, guys. Kasi napakaganda po talaga ng business na to. It's life-changing and it's very flexible. Kaya pwede niyo pong gawin kahit kayo nag-work. Ayun. So, andito po ako, uwi na ako. Dito lang po ako. Huminto lang ako dito. So, yun po. Kahapon po, meron kaming live webinar. Pero kung inyo pong na-miss, you can still watch the replay through my website, www.roselambilocchio.com. So, para po ma-check nyo how our business model works. Okay, thanks very much and have a lovely day ahead, guys. God bless. Bye.